Hello guys, SiteLock can help protect your website from malware and security threats. If you purchase SiteLock with Bluehost, here's a step-by-step guide to activate it and keep your site safe. So step 1 is logging into your Bluehost account. Start by logging into your account dashboard, go to the marketplace option and navigate to My Product section. There, you can easily activate services including SiteLock where it will be listed. Now, find the SiteLock in your list of services. If you haven't purchased it yet, you can add it here. If you already purchased, you will see an activate or manage button next to your SiteLock like this. Now, click activate to begin the setup and Bluehost will automatically link SiteLock to your domain and you'll be redirected to the SiteLock dashboard for further configurations. Now, in the SiteLock dashboard, you can configure daily malware scan, security checks, and set automatic alerts. Make sure that the basic website scans are enabled to start immediate protection. SiteLock gives you Trust Badge to display on your website. You can find the badge code in the dashboard. Add this to your site's footer to show visitors your website is protected. Now, check the SiteLock dashboard regularly for scan results and security alerts. The system will notify you of any vulnerabilities or issues that needs fixing. If your plan includes malware removal, ensure that automatic cleanup is turned on and this will help resolve any threats instantly without manual action. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.